Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil.
Today we are going to learn English workshop of You Start Dying Slowly. Warming up, chit chat. Question 1. Assuming ABCD as speakers, ask the assigned questions in your group and discuss. Answer. A. If you do not study well, you will not achieve good marks in the exam. B. If you wake up late on a working day, you will be late to your school or working place, etc. C. If you do not exercise regularly, you will become fatty. D. If you eat too much junk food, you will suffer from health problems. A. If you do not participate in school activities, you will never learn those things. Or if you do not participate in games, you will never learn skills of the game. B. If you ignore a friend in need, you will never be trusted by anyone. He will also never help you. Question 2. Things I can do in my life. Question 3. Complete the following web and write a paragraph. My wish. Have a happy and healthy life. Being successful in career. Fulfill my parents' wishes. And travel in space. People have a lot of wishes in their life. As a human, I have my own wish. My wishes can be about the past, the present, and the future. After many years, I have realized that I cannot change the past or even present, but I can change my future. My wishes for the future life are being successful in career, to travel in space, having a happy life, and working as an animal protector. To be successful in career, I can earn a lot of money to improve my living conditions. Besides that, I will get the respect from colleagues because of my excellent achievements. It's lucky to have a happy life. I will do whatever I want, travel in space and many beautiful places to make friends with other people and learn about interesting things in the world. My future will be full of pleasure and positive thinking. By achieving the above things, I will give joy to my parents also. I will always respect them and share my thoughts and ideas with them. I will always take their guidance to be in the right path. The reason why I want to be an animal protector in the future is that I would save many animals from being abused or being killed. It is my hope to see people around me treating well with the animals. They should be treated as humans' best friends for everything they have contributed to human. In summary, although I have a lot of wishes throughout my younger life, but I really want to succeed in career, travel in space, fulfill my parents' wishes, live happily, and work as an animal protector in the future. And I will try my best to achieve these wishes instead of waiting for a miracle. Margin questions. Think, discuss, and answer. What is it that makes life worth living? Give 4 points. Answer. In my opinion, the following things make life worth living. First, having self-respect. Second, change according to the situation. Not to be a slave of our habits. Third, do things which we like most. Not to suppress our natural passion. 4. Try to accept good things from others and praise them for it. English workshop. Question 1. Read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose the one that suits this poem best. A. Face life whatever it may give you. B. Fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. C. Be yourself and do what your heart tells you. D. Accept all possible changes or risks that you have taken. E. Keep your self-esteem intact. Just try to relax in life. Answer. In my opinion, all the messages are apt or suitable to the poem, but the most suitable is keeping your self-esteem intact. Just try to relax in life. Question 2. State the following. A. Theme or central idea of the poem. Answer. The poem is about a human life. It deals with the things that make our life worth living. It also depicts the things that can lead to slow death, which we must avoid. The death here is not in the literal sense. You are dying slowly means you are losing or missing the essence of life by not doing things explained by the poet. B. Line that provides evidence of the theme. Answer. You start dying slowly. C. 3 characteristics from the poem that makes a person dull or uninteresting. Answer. First, not to travel, not to read, not to appreciate yourself. Second, to kill your self-esteem. Third, to avoid feeling passion and emotions. Fourth, not to change your life, etc. Third, pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write them down with the nouns they describe. Answer. Self-esteem, different colors, same path, turbulent emotions, sensible advice. 4. Compare the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly to the poems in Unit 1, 1.1 and 1.3. To which poem does the structure match? What differences do you notice in the other ones? Note them down. Fifth, what expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? Why do you think the poet emphasizes it? Answer. The expression you start dying slowly is repeated 4 times in the poem. I think the poet Pablo Neruda wants to draw readers' attention towards that line, so he emphasizes on it. 6. Write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. A. You do not travel. You should travel as much as you can. B. You do not appreciate yourself. You should appreciate yourself. C. You kill your self-esteem. You should keep up your self-esteem. D. You become a slave of habits. You should not become a slave of habits. E. You refuse to speak to strangers. You should try to understand others by speaking with the people you don't know. F. You do not change your life. You should change your life if you are not satisfied with it. G. You refuse to take a risk. You should accept the challenges in life. 7th. Go through the following steps and discuss in pairs about the fact mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. Answer. Ways to live a better life. Each day provides its own gift. By Marcus Aurelius. I like the thought of Marcus. Really, each day gives you the opportunity to become better. Each day becomes a gift and a chance at becoming a better version of yourself. Each bit of improvement will motivate you to do even more. So, let us start with some tips which will help us to live a better life. First, getting rid of one bad habit at a time. Pick something from your lifestyle you want to improve and actively improve it every day. If you can make yourself a little bit better every single day, you are pretty much guaranteed improvement over time. Second, avoid negative thoughts. Be positive. Ask yourself two questions. What can you control and what can you not control? Things within your control are your thoughts and actions. So, focus on what you can do. It will help you to avoid negative thoughts. Things which are not in your control, like nature, accident, people, economy, etc., often cause worry, despair, stress, fear, etc. Spending time or worrying about externals is a losing proposition. So be positive. Third, trust yourself, love what you do. People who are looking to make positive changes in their life should trust themselves first. Just believe in your actions, practice it, you will be definitely successful one day. 4. Try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner. See things with your eyes and not with your emotions or experiences. The world looks quite different. Start to learn new things every day. Practice it and be a lifelong learner, because practice deliberate practice, it will enrich your mind. 5th, sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. Some of the greatest rewards in the life comes from helping and giving the others. Don't be the selfish giver, as one who thinks of something in exchange. Be a giver, as one that gives to improve the lives of others. It makes life fully enjoyable. 6th, be humble, respect and welcome or accept each day with a smile. Life is the God's gift. Don't waste a single day in it. Welcome each day happily with a smile, because smiling has been scientifically proven to put you in a better mood and make you happier. Always respect every single thing or person in your life, because as you sow, you reap. Be humble and polite with nature and persons in your surroundings. This cycle of improvements just so happens to be the secret of success. If you take your journey step by step, you will be having a better life, a successful life. 8th, complete the following table with the things in your life which will help you to change your habits and routine. If I do this, I shall. If I travel, I shall see the beauty of nature. If I read, I shall learn more. If I change my bad habits, I shall become an ideal person. If I play continuously on mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasures of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, I shall become alone in my life. 9th, everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? Answer: stories, movies, inspirational videos, poems, motivational lectures, autobiography of ideal person, teachers and our parents. 10th, complete the Venn diagram with words that go with their topics. Turbulent, storm, weather, anger, earthquake, sea waves, heavy rain, emotions. Glistening, eyes, stars, diamonds, pearls, water, jewelry, tears. Sensible, advice, feelings, thoughts, mind, decisions, people. 11th. Write about a day when you felt very happy. Use the following questions to help you think or recollect a day. Note down the points. Answer: the happiest day of my life. It was an ordinary routine day, 2nd of July. However, proved to be the happiest day of my life. The day was Sunday. I woke up little late in that morning. All of a sudden, all my friends rushed to my room. They were congratulating me for winning the first award in state level drawing competition. I was very happy. My parents too were very happy. I felt about to jump with joy. After looking my joy, my mother's eyes filled up. I really felt very proud on myself. I touched my parents' feet for blessings. Soon my father bought sweets and there was a small party for all. My uncle, aunt, my grandparents soon joined us. They showered congratulations on me. In the night, I could not sleep well. All the happy events of the day continued to come to my mind one after another and were making me excited. I can never forget the day. It will always remain in my loving memories and will give me joy and confidence at every step of my life. 12th. Use internet or any book to write 4 inspirational or motivational quotes related to the message in the poem. Answer: only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life isn't perfect, but we should be thankful for everything we have. We first make our habits, then our habits make us. Take risk. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive.